everybody, it's Gabriel's birthday today. Yeah! Okay, well, he has a dog named Angus. This dog's huge, and he doesn't bite or anything, but I think it's gay. It's a guy, okay? And I have my
humps.
friend. Yeah, he humps. And we're going to sneak attack, and we're going to be real careful, okay?
Oh, by the way,
Playing Portal, too.
black people.
What the crap, Gabriel? Alright, now watch. Alright, Gabriel's gonna point it. Don't press that button because this is an iPhone.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna press that button. I'm totally gonna press that button. Oh, and I got something to say. Black people. Yeah, alright. And to all the black people out there. Yeah, what's up, big boss? What, mofo? Alright, anyway, alright, we're gonna watch. Shit's gone. Yeah, that's Angus.
This! Angus! Oh, it's gonna turn off. Angus! Oh, it's fresh!
Yeah. My dog is black. Like black people. And he's something. Are you wondering, pedo dog means rape dog.
He's got me rushed.
Oh my gosh! Oh, he's got the camera! Oh, no way, I got it back.
Oh, God! Oh, my God! I got you under control.
I just farted, by the way.
Oh, shit, you did that.
Segregation time. Come on.
Gabriel racist, hit it.
Gabriel racist. Hit end? Alright, hitting end. Nah.